Hello guys, thanks for coming to watch another video at iLucato Sharing Knowledge channel. Today I'm going to see if I get to fix this hair straightener that is not turning on. It's a Remington shining therapy. And let's see if I can make it work again. I am going to connect it to the outlet here. There's an outlet here. So when I press the power button here, nothing happens. You can keep pressing or try 2 clicks or 1 click and nothing happens. It won't turn on. It doesn't turn on at all. There may be poor contact here in this piece. So I'm going to loosen here this part. There are 2 screws here. I'm going to get a Phillips screwdriver set. Talking about it, if you need a Phillips screwdriver, all the tools I use in the video, give a look at the video description below and you will find links where you can buy them. Okay, now the cap came out here and here has a connector to the power cord. Done, it came out. I'm going to clean here. Let me see if I can give you a better focus and a zoom. Do you see? There's a connector here and sometimes it can get all dirty and maybe it is not making the correct contact here and this part here. So I'm going to clean it. I'm going to get an isopropyl alcohol and I'm going to clean these 2 parts here. Okay, now I got a cotton swab here and I'm going to put a little isopropyl alcohol on it. And I'm going to try to clean inside this contact. Look how dirty it is. Let me try to zoom out a little bit. See this dirt in here. So it gets together and I don't know why. Maybe this dirty is interrupting the contact. Let's check if that is the issue. Let's see if it got better now. Let's test if it makes contact here. Let's put it together. You need to fit it diagonally here, lift it up, and then fit it here, because there's a hole here. Here we go. That's it, solved. You just need to clean the contacts. As you can see, it is working now. Great. Just cleaning this part here solved, or sometimes it can be a broken wire, as I'm going to show. Okay, just testing with the multimeter here. I'm going to hold the connector cap because apparently it's not the issue on the tip. So if I turn the cable here, look at the multimeter value. It means a power cut due a broken cable of so much rolling the cable when putting away. See, the cable is broken with bad contact. As you can see, there is a bad contact right here. So I'm going to cut this piece a little back because it is all sealed and I need to get to show the wires. Attention! Disconnect the cable from outlet before cutting. And cut a little backwards. I'm going to show you. Actually, the right thing should be buying a new cable. If you need a new cable, don't forget to see the links where to buy it at the video description or on the pinned comment. Okay, just to show you, I took that connector and cut with the stylus here. Cut this part carefully and then take out the rest. This way you get to manage the access to both parts of the wire. Now I'm going to take this tip out here, which is the part that was broken. So I'm going to cut the wire further forward. Right? Now I will peel it off into a bigger piece here to get to weld the wires. The MacGyver here is provisional until you get to buy the cable and receive the new cable. I mean, if you really want to change the cable. Okay. Now what am I going to do? I'm going to weld these wires. You need to weld blue with blue and brown with brown, of course. Very well. Just showing to you here, the 2 wires are well welded. Now I'm going to pass an insulating tape. This way you isolate and separate the wires to avoid short circuit. Here we go, now the MacGyver is done. Emended. Let's see if it's working and if it's not giving the bad contact. I'll put it in the right place, right? And now let's turn it on again. Let me put the plug in the power outlet here and let's see if it is fixed too. Hold to turn it on. Look! Great! It turned on. Do you see? So that is the other possibility. Now just put the cover back here. The screws and your hair straightener is fixed on the MacGyver style. So if it's your case is having a broken wire, you just weld the wires until you buy another one, or leave it like that. You see what's best for you, okay? If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, click on the thanks button below to contribute with a couple dollars, and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next video. Don't forget, if you need the cable, precision tool set, and so on, see the links at the video description. Thanks you, and bye-bye.